everyone, welcome to another Outbreak Alert video. This is Boumediene Kadur from the FortiGuard Labs team. And today we're going to be talking about a new critical threat called React2Shell. So basically right now, organizations using modern web frameworks are facing a maximum severity threat called React2Shell. This is a critical unauthenticated remote code execution or RCE vulnerability with a maximum CVSS score of 10. So confirmed exploitation is happening in the wild, placing every vulnerable server at risk of immediate and complete compromise. If your application uses React Server Component or RSC, you need to act now. So this vulnerability, tracked as these two CVEs, resides in the way React Server Components handle data using the flight protocol. To be fast, React serializes data structures into a stream to send them between the client and server. So the core problem here is in the server's deserialization process, the act of reconstructing that data. An attacker can easily craft a single malicious HTTP request that exploits a logical flaw in the decoding process. This tricks the server into executing arbitrary JavaScript code, but this time on the server side with the server privileges, achieving an RCE with zero authentication, and more than that, with no user interaction at all. To this effect, default configurations of frameworks like Next.js, application, router, and other RSC-enabled packages. If we go to threat intelligence, you're gonna see we have several indicators of compromise. You can just move forward and see other hashes, file hashes, IP addresses, domain names that you can act upon. And we have also telemetry observed by our globally deployed sensors or our intrusion prevention system here. You can see here thousands of telemetries observed on a single day. You can just check other day here or other days. Well, we have also top targeted countries. We have IOCs or indicator of compromised threat activity as well. From an analysis perspective, we have FortiGuard Labs threat signal. You can take a look at it, which has a brief summary about this threat. And also we have Lacework FortiCNAPP protection update and response added to for React and Next.js remote code execution vulnerability, which is this vulnerability used within this campaign. Also, we have several patches from the vendor, so which is something you need to act upon. From a recommendation perspective, we strongly recommend you to upgrade your vulnerable React and Next.js packages to the latest patch version. And this is the only solution for now. There is no workaround solution but to install those hotfixes to solve the problem immediately. Also, as an essential interim measure, you have to implement a web application firewall rule to detect and block any activities targeting the flight protocol endpoint. Fortunately, if you have FortiWeb, we have it already there. So you have the signature there. Also, you can use the indicator of compromise that you saw earlier. And also you can use those indicators of compromise to sweep your environment and search for any potential compromise. And also you can contact our DFIR team, who will be engaged immediately to do this activity, searching or hunting for any possible compromise within your environment. At the end, always remember to read those articles, those reports. They are very useful to do the right things, of course. And don't forget to subscribe to the Outbreak Alert so you will receive new Outbreak Alert and what is going on in the wild immediately. Thank you very much and see you in the next video.